I'm from Bandar Puteri Johan Puteri Puchong. Today, I'm excited to share with you what I've learned from my product review module. In this review, I got to try different types of reviews. Let me tell you about them. Food review. I reviewed lollipop super shoots. Book review where I reviewed Through Their Eyes. Unboxing review where I reviewed Kuromi School Life. Gaming review where I reviewed Roblox. Vlogging review where I vlogged about Roblox how to play. But today, guess what? I'm doing a gaming review. Now my favorite game is Roblox. So, what makes Roblox so cool? First, Roblox isn't just one game. It's millions of games in one. You can play obstacle courses, adventures, tycoon simulators, and so much more. Second, Roblox is full of excitement. You can complete challenges, escape from monsters, role play with friends, and even run your own business inside the game. Now, where can we play Roblox? You can play it on your phone, tablet, or laptop. Just download the Roblox game for free and log in, and you're ready to play anywhere, anytime. Now, so would I recommend Roblox? What's the slide? Now, why should we play Roblox? Because Roblox is not just fun. It it teaches you real skills like creativity. Roblox is not just fun. It it lets you be super creative. Roblox has endless adventures. You'll never get bored because there's always a new game to play or something new to build. So, would I recommend Roblox? Absolutely yes. I rate it 10 out of 10 stars. Roblox is not just Roblox is fun and exciting, and it teaches you real skills like teamwork, problem solving, and creativity. I hope you enjoyed my gaming review. Thank you, everyone.